Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm just doing a nice kind of relaxing one for me. It was on an MDF narrow board that my husband had cut out some MDF for me that'll fit in a particular frame that I have. And I just wanted to, I had in mind to do something on this and then embellish it at the end, which you will see, but I just really wanted to just relax into it and just do whatever I chose to do. So the colors I'm using are, that is called skin tone. I know it may not be yours or my skin tone, but that's what it was. I did dull it down a little bit with some white. And then I'm just layering colours over it. That was a pale turquoise. And you'll see, I'll just jump in as I layer the colours and just watch the magic happen. So the colour that I'm laying down now is just is black, Amsterdam black, mixed with Floetrol only. And I am going to use my soft plastic file divider to hopefully get some beautiful gems happening on my board, which I absolutely do I'll give you a close-up in the minute because you cannot see the gorgeous effect that is creating while we're up here. So I'll bring my camera down and let you have a look in a second or two, but it was pretty beautiful. This is the gorgeous result of that swipe. Look at the colours, they're just like gemstones, beautiful. Look at the colours that come out in those. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gotta be happy with that. I need to let it dry for the next stage. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I ended up with this piece just doing a few balloon kisses in it, and then I embellished it with it. What's actually a silver leaf paint with a bird. What I'm going to do is when I get a chance, I'll resin it. Yeah, I actually think when I resin it, it will really pop. But we will see. But I'm still happy with it in that frame anyway. It doesn't particularly need resin, so we'll go on from there. But thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow, my lovelies, I'll say bye for now. Just adding a few photos at the end of our new addition, Talia Kiki, which is my son and his partner's new baby girl, because lots of you have asked me. So there you go. She's gorgeous, we're happy, and her sister is not quite sure about her.